I love making this recipe. It's so simple. You don't have to babysit it. You just put it in a pan, put some seasonings on it, put it in the oven, change the temp one time, and enjoy some delicious chicken thighs. Perfect for any chicken dinner, chicken lunch. You guys are gonna wanna make this recipe. Let's get cooking. Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki and I'm cooking on the farm on Route 66. And I love bringing you in the kitchen with me. Today, I love the title of my recipe. It's called Idiot Proof Chicken Thighs. Perfect, super simple. It does take a little while to cook in the oven, about an hour and a half, so you need to plan for that, but it comes together so fast and they are delicious. All you need for this recipe is a few simple ingredients. We need some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We need some ranch seasoning, some Lipton onion soup mix, some garlic, and some delicious butter. We're gonna put this together and put it in the oven. You guys, you don't wanna miss this recipe. You are going to love it. Okay, I have a 9x13 pan here, and I am going to open my chicken thighs. We have learned to really love chicken thighs. They're really tender when they're cooked right. And I am going to just place those chicken thighs right in my pan. Just like this. Look at that, 8 fit perfect. I am gonna wash my hand because I don't want chicken all over my hand while I continue to cook. So I'll be right back. I seriously love making this recipe. You don't have to babysit it. You put a few seasonings on your chicken, you put it in the oven, you change the temperature one time, and you have a delicious meal. Add a salad with it and a vegetable on the side, and it's perfect for a delicious chicken dinner or even a lunchtime. So let's add those seasonings. The first thing I'm gonna add is some onion dry soap mix. And I'm just gonna add 1 package. Open it up, and I'm gonna sprinkle it right on top. Do you guys cook with this? I love this to season different things. So good. The next thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of dry ranch powder. I like to buy my ranch powder in bulk because I love it so much. And I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top. Just like that. Next thing is 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. And you're gonna actually just put that kind of right in the middle. There you go, I'm gonna put a little bit over here too. There you go, just like that. And the last thing you do is take 1 stick of butter, so a 1/2 cup of butter, and you slice it, and you're just gonna place some butter right on top of the chicken. Okay, I am going to cover this with aluminum foil. I am going to put it in the oven on 300 degrees. It's already preheated behind me. And I'm gonna cook it for 45 minutes. At that point, I'm actually gonna up the oven to 425 degrees, and I'm gonna cook it for another 45 minutes. So we're gonna put it in the oven at 300 degrees to get started, and then we'll come back. Look at this, you guys. That looks delicious. It smells delicious. It was so simple. to just put the seasonings on and put it in the oven. I think the name of this recipe, Idiot Proof Chicken Thighs, actually fits because this was so easy. Not that I'm calling any of you idiots, I'm not. But I am so excited to dive into these and take a bite because it is so delicious. Look at all these drippings. We could use that to make a gravy if we wanted to. Oops. You guys, this smells so good. There we go. The best chicken thighs you'll ever taste. It's going to be delicious.
It tastes good, the idiots, too.
You're funny. We're not calling anyone an idiot. That's not a nice word, but it just shows how simple it is.
But this
Yeah.
is pretty awesome stuff.
That's amazing, huh?
I don't know. Let me
Let you keep
the whole
eating.
thigh, and then I'll tell you.
Okay.
So good.
So Casey has friends over, so we're going to serve it up to everyone and see what they think.
They all want to be on the famous Quick and Tasty on the Farm YouTube channel.
There you go.
Good.
I liked it. I like it.
Hold on, let me go on the other side because there's a light.
That's really good.
How is it?
Mike's stupid.
You can pick it up with your hands if you want to. I don't care.
Very good.
Best chicken you've had at our house all night?
Yeah.
For sure.
We bought store-bought chicken. Sucks. This is where it's at.
It's really good.